Well, you're considering filing for bankruptcy and you're wondering, after my bankruptcy, how do I get it off my credit report? Because my name is Andy Foreman, and I'm a business bankruptcy lawyer in Tampa, Florida, and I help people repair their credit after bankruptcy. I know you've seen the signs on the telephone poles that says you can get your credit fixed after bankruptcy by getting the bankruptcy removed from your credit report. Nothing could be further from the truth. Bankruptcy shows up on your credit report because it's supposed to. It'll show up on the trade items where your creditors are telling whoever's looking at your credit report that you filed for bankruptcy. The bankruptcy information will also show up on the official records portion of your credit report. It'll contain the filing date, the dollar amount of the liabilities, the case number, the date of the discharge, and perhaps the name of your attorney. Anybody who wants to charge you a fee to remove bankruptcy from your credit report is being less than candid and upfront with you. It's probably a scam because the Fair Credit Reporting Act provides that it's supposed to stay on your consumer credit report for 10 years from the date of filing. You want to talk to a professional about cleaning your credit up after a bankruptcy, and don't pay for something that you can't acquire. My name is Andy Foreman. Good luck fixing your bankruptcy, fixing your credit after bankruptcy.